Joe Hasleaf sent us a blue Kamikaze recipe, so we're gonna do that. 1 ounce of white rum.
We're doing rum.
1 ounce blue carousel ride. 1 ounce of blue
Curacao. Well, if anything else, this is going to be a pretty drink. Unless you ruin it with something stupid.
ounce of lime juice.
Great. Yep, still a pretty color. Like a really pretty color.
Say what?
Look at.
Pretty. All right. Well, cheers to a blue Kamikaze from Joe Hasleaf.
Cheers. Joe hates us. All he had to do was say he didn't like us.
Wow.
Did your whole face just like fall in on itself?
I feel like the lime is like crushing my jaw into this. I'm gonna shock like this. All right, Joe. We appreciate the drink. It's a lot of tart.
Yeah.